Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at AppLovin. This is ticker APP. Now, I was just looking at this chart and zooming out and kicking myself for not just buying this thing down here. I mean, even at $11, it's hard to believe the run that this stock has been on, and yet it's still going and just under the all-time high. And so I have AppLovin on an all-time high breakout alert in and around 745.22. And so I think we should watch for this trend to continue to the upside until it stops doing that. And so I would watch for AppLovin to get above 745.22 and do it on volume. Even though it's Christmas week and volumes are probably going to be light, I wouldn't be surprised to at least see a test of that level or a try in and around the highs on this stock. So that's just one of many things we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.